on, you guys. We're sorry. Our subway broke down.
That's a lie. You went to the game. I can see Joey's hand.
For the love of God, take it off!
You guys...
The United States government has interrupted your standard broadcasting to issue a code-like threat to all life on Earth. The United States government has interrupted your standard broadcasting to issue a code-like threat to all life on Earth. This warning is effective immediately and will continue into the foreseeable future. The U.S. government has been given clearance to interrupt standard broadcasting worldwide to issue this alert. Updates will, for now, be given at the top of every hour. This information is vital to you and your loved one's safety. At this time, governments worldwide urge citizens to remain indoors and to immediately run to a place far from natural lighting. No attempt to block out said lighting should be done for now, in order to prevent expositions of the threat. At the end of this broadcast, you'll be authorized to don several layers of thick clothing in order to block out all natural lighting in your shelter. Due to a fatal meteorological event of unknown origin, an estimated million casualties have taken place during the first 30 minutes of activation. Stay away from all visual light emitted by the sun. Stay away from all visual light reflected by the moon. Citizens attempting to travel outdoors must fully cover their bodies in protective clothing, preferably several layers. Said travelers must also protect their eyes with airtight goggles specialized in solar protection. Cities and man-made structures in general provide the greatest protection. Formerly wooded areas should be circumvented. Travel by foot should be limited as much as possible and is heavily discouraged. Secure and close all entrances and windows to a shelter. Do not look outside. All unusual noises and persons outside should not be investigated. Refuse all requests from persons trying to come inside.
Survey